to automate light material handling applications, Fanuc's LR Mate 200IB industrial robot increases productivity and quality in any factory setting. From machine loading and material removal to assembly and dispensing, the LR Mate 200IB's specifications make it one of the best compact robot arms in the industry. 6 axes of motion allow this robot arm to turn and twist to reach the right side of the right part. A 5-kilogram maximum payload capacity provides enough strength to support a number of grippers and the parts they will manipulate. The LR Mate 200IB is also very precise, featuring a 0.04 millimeter repeatability.